Saan na ang mama mo ngayon?
Mom is the type na don't force her. Kasi, alam mo naman, slowly but surely, she'll accept it.
So ano to, final na nawala na si Chris Aquino, ang iyong mommy at si Mark Leviste.
Since before Mom's birthday, they're not together na.
Bakit wala na? Dahil may bago na?
That's up to Mom to say. But,
Yes.
meron. Pwede. Meron. Makulit lang. But very good guy.
Makulit din.
Mas malala ang sinabi mo.
I know. Ako na sasagot, Oja. I will save my son. Yes, definitely walang balikan ang mangyayari. I've kept quiet because mas matindi yung treat